Thank you. Thank you all for coming. So, even though it's not Earth Day, we already have a good nature plan. See this tree?
Yes.
Well, it's such a shame we have to burn it down. I wonder what happened to that tree.
Don't ask me, ask the paper bag.
Tomato. Potato.
I heard potatoes create electricity and we're lighting up this stage.
You total retards! I told you to make people laugh. You're just making people leave by the second. If one more bad pun comes out of you, you're screwed. Okay? Alright. Now that's what I call clip joint calamity. Now,
Have you ever seen a waterfall?
no, Hippo. I have never seen a waterfall. Show me a
Well, there's a first time for everything.
Well, show. Anyway, thanks for watching. Goodbye, everybody.